Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites and then get your API key. Do it now. Create a Google Cloud project, enable the map's JavaScript API, and attach billing so requests resolve. Once done, generate an API key and immediately add restrictions. HTTP refers for web or IPs for server calls to reduce abuse. Make sure to store the key in environment variables or a secure secrets manager. This protects production traffic and simplifies rotation later on. You now integrate the script tag and initialize the map. This is where code meets configuration. Add the map's JavaScript URL with your API key and needed libraries, then implement an init map function that creates a map object with center coordinates, zoom level, and map options to control controls and styles. Once map loads, add markers, info windows, and event listeners to handle clicks and updates. This modular approach keeps rendering fast and enables easier debugging if behavior is unexpected. You finish by handling server-side needs and thorough testing. This ensures reliability. Route geocoding or places requests through your backend to keep API keys secret, validate inputs to avoid quota waste, and implement caching to reduce costs. Once integrated, test on desktop and mobile, check different networks, and simulate quota limits while watching billing alerts. If something breaks, inspect the browser console, the network tab, and the API error responses. Those messages tell you whether it is a key.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.